Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be teaching you how you can successfully claim free USDT. All you need to do is just to stick with me till the end of this video and you learn how you can claim as many USDT as possible. Okay guys, all you have to do is just to scroll down a bit, so I will show you a little proof of the USDT I claimed a few minutes ago. So you just scroll down a bit. Let me show you my history. So this is Gawa coin. This is from Gawa coins and it's about 0.029 USDT, a normal payment claimed on the 29th of December 2021. And if I show you the dates of today, you see that okay, it's already 30. This is few minutes ago. This is 2 minutes after 12. So I claimed this. I'm making this video by 11 p.m. to 12 in the night. Okay guys, I found this amazing, so I'll be showing you how I got this free. Okay guys, before we continue, if you're new to this channel, do hit the red subscribe button and like this video. Okay guys, make sure you turn up the bell so you get important updates like this, because almost every day I post important updates that can fetch you money just in few steps. Guys, we'll be proceeding to the way I got the free USDT. Before then, we just have to click on deposit. We're not going to deposit any money, it's just from the site we claimed that USDT from. So you just click on deposit. Then you scroll down and locate Tether USDT. Okay, this is USDT here. So you just copy the contract address because you need to send coins to this wallet. Okay, so I'll just minimize straight to the site where I claimed these coins from. Okay, you can see that currently I have about 0 coins in this site now, because I've recently withdrawn the coins I had here. Okay, but I'll be doing some few steps now that can fetch coins straight back into this wallet. So just click on these three dots. If you click on it, you see various things. You see surfing, you see earn, you see offer wall, you see games, you see advertising, you see wallet, and the name you use in registering this site. Okay guys, so just click on the first one, surfing. If you click on surfing, you have several links to click. Okay, currently you still see I have about 8 seconds to stay on this site to gain about 300 coins. As easy as that and as simple as that. So you just proceed to clicking on the soft now icon, and all I have to just wait for is for this 8 seconds countdown to finish. And after that, you click on your verify that you're not a robot. Then select our traffic light. Then you click on the verify icon. After that, you go back and automatically about 300 coins has been added to your balance. So let's check to know whether this is actually true. Click on click on earn, click on faucet. Then this was initially 0 coins, but now it's 300 coins. So these are one of the several ways you can claim coins from this side. Like I said, the first one is to click on surfing. So the second one is to click on the earn icon. So you click on earn, you click on faucet. If you scroll down a bit, you see another captcha to solve. Okay, so we have about we have this, and we have this. So you click on I am not a robot. After that, you click on this collect reward. Okay, so we'll proceed to clicking on this collect reward. Alright, and another 269 coins has been added to our wallet just because of that little task we did. And if you look very well, you see that my coins has increased to 500 and my coins has increased to 569 coins, and you repeat this in 2 minutes time. So you need to wait for just 2 minutes to repeat that task. Okay, so I'll be proceeding to the third way you can earn massively from this site. So you click on these 3 dots once more and click on offers. Okay, click on offers, click on this one that says monthlies. Okay, and if you scroll down a bit, you see that you earn about, okay, this basically works in taking surveys. So if you take just a little survey, they will be asking questions, the questions like which country are you from, what are your hobbies, what do you like doing, all those kind of how old are you, those kind of simple questions. That's the questions they will ask you, and they will pay you. If you are able to complete this, they will pay you about 0.325 cents. So if you're able to complete this, they will pay about $1.485, same as this. And if you scroll down a bit, you still have about plenty of these tasks to complete. Okay guys, the second way you can earn still from these places through these offers. So you just click on offers, and if you're using an Android, you can complete this task to earn about $23.1. This the same 23.1 USD, 10 USDT, 10 USD, 9 USD, 2 USD, and so on. There are several ways you can earn from these sites. Okay guys, I've shown you how I withdrew from this, and for you to place your order, you click on wallet. This is wallet, so you just click on your wallet. And scroll down a bit. So you have various options here, but for the sake of this video, we're going to be choosing USDT. So this is USDT and faucet pay to be precise. So you just click on it, and the minimum withdrawal is actually 3,000 coins, but you can actually accumulate these 3,000 coins just in few minutes. The one I withdrew last time, the one I showed you at the beginning of this video, was accumulated just in few minutes. So if you just spare few minutes of your day, you can claim as many USDT as possible. So you just proceed to pasting the wallet address you copied initially from your faucet pay account here. So just paste it here, then you click on send, and automatically it will be sent straight to your wallet. Let me show you that proof again. It's my faucet pay account. So if you scroll down a bit, okay, I'll have to put it in overview. If you scroll down, okay, my history has just wiped. But the USDT I received is still in my wallet. This is it. It's still in my wallet, about 0.00293360 USDT, free of charge. So I urge you guys to jump right into this site and claim as many USDT as possible. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. If you have any questions to ask, you can put it down in the comment section. Thank you guys, and see you in my very next video.